India Today has reached out to the sole witness in the murder of 18-year-old Delhi University student in Delhi's Adarsh Nagar. Speaking exclusively to India Today, the teen's friend narrated how he was beaten up by her family members. In fact, she says that she pleaded for help, but no one came to rescue her, not even the police. She also named her maternal uncle's son as the mastermind behind this murder. She asserted that she doesn't want any politics here, but demanded for a CBI probe, saying that she's lost complete trust in the police.
मुझे बताएंगे क्या कि जब ये घटना हो रही थी तब आप उस वक्त साथ थी, क्या कुछ हुआ था? पूरा घटना सिलसिलेवार बताइए।
7 तारीख की बात है, मैं और राहुल पूरे दिन साथ में थे। राहुल की तबीयत ठीक नहीं थी। 6 बजे के करीब शाम को मेरे मामा के लड़के का फोन आता है मेरे नंबर पे, कहते हैं राहुल का नंबर नहीं लग रहा है। शहनवाज नाम है मेरे मामा के लड़के का। कह रहे राहुल का नंबर नहीं लग रहा है। मैंने उसको बताया राहुल की मम्मी ने उसका फोन बेच दिया है, तो कह रहे कोई अदर नंबर है तो दे दे। मैं उसकी चाची का नंबर देती हूँ, वो चाची के नंबर पे कॉल करता है और राहुल को मिलने के लिए बुलाता है। राहुल कहता है मैं जाऊं या ना जाऊं। कॉल कट करने के बाद मैं कहती हूँ 5 मिनट के लिए चल लेते हैं, बात कर लेंगे। मैं उसको बाहर निकल के शहनवाज को कॉल करती हूँ, कहती हूँ राहुल 5 मिनट के लिए मिल लेगा। वो बुलाते हैं मिलने के लिए, फिर राहुल को मारना शुरू कर देते हैं।
आपके सामने क्या उन्होंने मारा?
मेरे सामने वो मारते, मैं उसको बचाती हूँ, फिर भी वो नहीं सुनते। मैं उन्हें बार बार कहती हूँ राहुल की तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, मत मारो उसे, मत मारो। कोई सुनता ही नहीं है मेरी बात।
Absolutely shocking and heartbreaking to hear the girl speak. She is said to, in fact, the girl's family members said to have killed this boy because the girl and the boy who was murdered were allegedly in a relationship. This is what is being said. In fact, Ram Kinkar joining us from Delhi, who spoke to the girl, the friend of the murdered boy. Ram, take us through this girl who's very outrightly, she's not minced any words. She's blamed her own family. She says her own cousins plotted this entire episode. She says her cousins called her up. They asked for Rahul's number. They asked them to meet for about 5 to 10 minutes. The girl insisted that Rahul and her go and meet them, considering they were asking for some work with some subjects, some studies or something like that. 3 juveniles have been arrested among the 5 of them. The intention of the murder is quite clear. Only because Rahul and the girl were friends, they were probably in a relationship, the girl's family could not bear that and eventually beat up this boy to death. What more does the girl want? She says the police also did not come to help. She cried for help, but not even the police came forward. Is that true?
Right. The girl is saying that all this incident should be investigated not by Delhi police but with the CBI. As she's mainly said that it is a kind of cold-blooded murder which is conspirated before 1 month when they met in an open park with this Rahul. And at the same time, she also revealed the name of that person who is not only involved in this incident, but at the same time, she was also afraid to revealing his name. And she said that when her relative spotted them inside a park, then after some time, the relative was asking Rahul's number, but every time she denied to share with him because she fumes something behind this incident. But after some time, means you can say after 29th of June, when she last met to this deceased, and after that this incident happened, I think at the 7th of October. So it is very horrible, and I think it is a cold-blooded murder as per the girl's revelation is telling, and police should probe with this angle that
well, this angle looks more of an angle of honor killing. That's what it looks like here, Ram Kinkar. What's tragic here is that the girl says she cried for help. She asked those boys to stop. Undoubtedly, they were enraged. The police also who were around, she says she sought help from the police, but the police also did not interfere. They allowed the episode to take place. Were the police there at the spot? Would you know exactly what happened? And we understand that the boy was brutally beaten up. he went back home, and only hours later, or maybe a next day, that he was feeling weak and he was bleeding, and then the family took him, rushed him to the hospital, and that's when he passed away. So it was much after 24 hours that this boy passed away, and that's what's really heartbreaking, to know that this episode could have been avoided, the death could have been avoided had this boy got immediate treatment. But here the boy was so scared of these assaulters that he eventually rushed back home and hid himself.
Right, it could have been saved if the proper treatment will it will early, as soon as possible. He would be at that time in the hospital, but unfortunately it was not happened at that time. And girl said that after the incident, she went to Adarsh Nagar police station and she asked help from the police officers, but they denied, and they are trying to hush up all these issues. And that's why, Nabila, if we look at the whole incident as a girl revelation that the mastermind is none other than her relative, and he is a minor. So if we look at this incident similarly, then if I'm recalling the NCRB data, then we can find in this year the incident or the crime committed by juveniles is shoot up to 600% this year, and which is comparatively far greater than last year. So I think
Absolutely shocking.
one more
600% increase in juvenile crimes, and 3 juveniles who were involved in the murder of this boy. It's shocking. One can imagine a case like this, especially when it comes to honor killing, a remote area somewhere across the country, it could still be heard of, but something like this to happen in the national capital is what is leaving us shell-shocked here. Ram Kinkar, thank you very much for following up on this story.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.